We're back. That was a hoo-ha. I'm ready to eat. Bon appetit. The pesto underbase. It's really refreshing because that basil flavour. I love basil. Haven't got to the tomato yet. I'll cheat like that. It's 11:15. I need to get ready and leave the house by 1 o'clock because we're meeting for dim sum at 2. So I've got an hour and a half to edit part 1, part 2, post it, get ready. This is so good. I've been really enjoying this sourdough bread. I think I'm going to get that from now on. Or the 50/50. The 50/50 crustless. Oh, it's going to slip and slide. It worked out in terms of the bites and the tomato. Do you know what? I'm really satisfied with that. Even though I didn't have the egg and the cheese, it was like a vegan version. And sometimes when I know I've had a vegan meal, I feel very proud about it for some reason. Does anyone ever feel like that? Like, ooh, I had a vegan meal. Healthy. Anyway, guys, I need to edit, get ready, and go to dim sum. Follow me on Instagram. I'll post what I have on my story.